Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I'm here to pick the random winner of my giveaway that I did for the Greeting Farm stamp set that I absolutely fell in love with the minute I saw it. So it was really easy to enter. All you had to do was be a subby, like the video where I combined a couple of stamps from a couple of different Greeting Farm sets to create a special card for my hubby and me. It's a little family portrait, and this is the YouTube random comment picker. I put in the URL of my video and filtered out duplicate entries, and I hit start here. The winner is Scrappy Rat. Congratulations, Scrappy Rat. She wrote, "My crafty goal right now is to finish off a few of the kits I have hanging around my craft room. I hoard way too many crafty things because I'm paralyzed by their cuteness." I totally get ya. "I'm so overwhelmed by how much I like my supplies sometimes I hesitate to use them because I don't feel worthy." Oh no, which is silly, I know. Craft supplies are made to be used, so I'm holding my breath and diving in. Wish me luck. Also, I really want to get my craft room reorganized so I can reward myself with a fancy new chair that doesn't hurt my joints so much. Yay! Well, congratulations, Scrappy Rat. If you would email me to my email address in the description box below with your name and address, I will mail out your prize as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching my video and playing along with my little giveaway. I hope you all are having a wonderful crafty day. See you in the next one. Bye.